In this video, we are going to learn how to represent root 9.3 on a number line. First, draw a line equal to 9.3 units. You can take these units as centimeters or even inches. Let this line be AB. Extend this line by 1 unit. Let this point be C such that BC is equal to 1 unit. And the total length of the line AC becomes 9.3 plus 1, that is 10.3 units. Now we need to draw a semicircle on this line AC. So to draw a semicircle we need a midpoint. Therefore we'll find midpoint by drawing a perpendicular bisector of this line. So by taking A and C as center and radius greater than half of AC, will draw two arcs above and below this line intersecting each other to draw perpendicular bisector. Now this point D is the center of the line AC. From the point D, we'll draw a semicircle with base as AC. Now with the help of protractor, we'll draw a perpendicular at point B on the line AC such that the perpendicular touches the semicircle at a point. Let this point be E. So now BE is equal to root 9.3. Now we'll have to plot this length on number line. So let us extend this line AC. Mark the points at equal distance on this line such that point B represents 0 on the number line and point C represents point 1 on the number line, and mark other points as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now open your compass equal to length BE and with the same radius draw an arc which cuts the line at a point which is just near to the point 3. Let this point be F. Now BF is equal to BE, which is equal to root 9.3. Now let us prove why BE or BF is equal to root 9.3. To prove that BF is equal to root 9.3, join DE. Now AD is equal to DE equal to DC is equal to AC upon 2, where AC is the diameter of the semicircle. This is equal to, in place of AC, we'll write down AB plus BC upon 2. This is equal to, AB is 9.3 plus BC is 1 upon 2 equal to 10.3 upon 2 equal to 5.15. Therefore, AD is equal to DE equal to DC is the radius of the arc AEC. Now DC is equal to DB plus BC. DC is the radius of the semicircle. Therefore, this is equal to 5.15 equal to DB plus BC, that is 1. Therefore, DB is equal to 5.15 minus 1 equal to 4.15. Now by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle DBE, DE, which is hypotenuse of the triangle, DE square equal to DB square plus BE square. So BE square is equal to DE square minus DB square. DE is equal to 5.15 and DB is equal to 4.15. Therefore, 5.15 whole square minus 4.15 whole square. This is the form of a square minus b square. Therefore, we'll write down be square is equal to 5.15 minus 4.15 into 5.15 plus 4.15 equal to 5.15 minus 4.15 is 1 into 5.15 plus 4.15 is equal to 9.3. Therefore, BE square is equal to 9.3. BE is equal to root 9.3. Hence proved BE equal to BF equal to root 9.3.